40th anniversary.
The championship.
How exciting.
What do you think about it?
Well, I played my best ball here for the Blazers. I didn't play enough. I was always hurt. And we had this brief flash of just brilliance and excellence. But then it came crashing down, which is really the story of my life, over and over and over again. But the memories that we have, and to see how much Portland has grown. When I got here 42 years ago, there were 250,000 people in the city of Portland, 350,000 people in the entire state of Oregon. And I know for a personal fact that every one of those 350,000 people were at the championship parade. And so when we have the 40th anniversary next year, it will be a glorious celebration of life, which is what the Trailblazers have always represented, and which what basketball means to me. The joy, the happiness, the hope, and just the fun, the exhilaration of being part of something so special. Because I know what this team has meant to this community, to this state, and to the identity of who we are as Oregonians. But it will be tough and sad because the key to the team was Maurice Lucas, and he's passed. And the key to the team was Jack Ramsay. And he's passed too. And those were the guys who kept everything together. So we had the fastest backcourt in the history of the NBA to this very day in Lionel and Johnny. Dave was just spectacular and super fun to play with. Bobby Gross over the top. And to be able to be with all the guys. And the only thing that I'm really sure that I know will happen at the celebration next year is that Lloyd Neal and we will get into another fight. Exceeding expectations is really the story of Oregon. I mean, when Lewis and Clark got here and they looked around, they said, oh my gosh. But to see what the Blazers have become and the economic model and the powerhouse financial asset that they are, and it makes you happy. It makes you proud. It makes you glow that, hey, I was there. I was here. I was here at the very beginning. I came here in the 4th year of the franchise. Bill Schonely's still here, and how spectacular. But everywhere I go, Jen, in the course of my life, it doesn't have to just be here in Oregon, I'll come across a complete stranger who will walk up to me and he'll have glazed over eyes. And he'll look at me, and this has been happening for so long that I know what's about to happen because it's been like that so many times. But this guy will come up to me and he'll say, Bill, I was there. I was there. Now, Jen, you're way too young. You weren't even born. But this team was so good. And what it meant to Oregon, what it meant to the people here, what it meant to us. We were just so proud of this team. And Jack Ramsay said it best on the 30th anniversary, 10 years ago. The NBA honored the team. And they asked Jack Ramsay to be the guest speaker. And Jack gave an eloquent, perfect speech and talked about all the guys and what it meant to be a Blazer, what it meant to the state of Oregon, and all the things that just that make you so loyal and make you so grateful. And then Jack summed it up as I will right here. Because Jack, perfect orator, PhD in education, he looked at the crowd, massive crowd. It was at the NBA All-Star Game. And Jack, he said, I'm often asked, Jack Ramsay, to put our Blazer team in historical context and perspective. And Jack took a deep breath and he said, I, as the coach, Jack Ramsay, I like our team. And we'll take our chances anywhere, any place, anytime, against anybody. Then he stopped, looked around to a rousing standing ovation, and he just walked off the stage. It was spectacular. I'm the luckiest guy in the world. I was there, and I'm a member of the Portland Trail Blazers.